right?
Yeah. So maybe it's not a good thing. I don't know. We'll see. Holding into
Mm.
earnings. I don't know.
There are no idea to think about what you have done before. I mean, if you're gonna think like that, how many losers have we done in the 10 years from now? It's a lot of stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it is. But yeah, I think you did quite right with. I mean, the problem was just the entry, right? If you got a good entry there from the 180, it was really nice.
It wasn't bad though. I don't think like
No.
our move from 190 up to well, I actually got it at 189.
Oh,
189 up
no,
to 200. That's a pretty good move. It took a
no.
little bit longer, just 1 week later before we're starting to get our
Yeah.
move.
No.
So that's it. So more time definitely would have helped with that.
Yeah.
That's why getting time is very important when it comes to that stuff. But
Yeah, but the upside to 200 for long term is not gonna be to give too much time. That's the problem.
yeah, yeah. Upside move to 200 will only take like a day or two. It'll be very quick.
Yeah.
So that's why I wanted to grab shorter term
Yeah.
expiration. Our previous week high. Oh, my level is working. Nice.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. We are above previous week high on Qs here as well. Nice. Yeah, we broke out of that range yesterday.
Yep.
Or, no, overnight session now. Pulling above. We have room up to the imbalance. 614 on QQQ. Looks pretty good, I guess.
Yeah. I have a personal question fast to both of you. Have you
Mm.
guys tried the Asus Zephyrus gaming laptop?
Asus?
Asus? Um,
No.
no.
Zephyrus.
I know they have.
I've tried Lenovo.
I know Asus is good brand. Very good brand. Those are my monitors. I have Asus monitors.
Yeah. I was looking to get the 570 Ti laptop
Mm.
because it's quite small and quite portable, but still quite good.
Asus is good.
Lenovo is good for gaming. I like it.
The ROG laptops are also really good. Republic of
Oh,
Republic of
gamer.
Game. Yeah,
Oh.
those are really good as well.
But I'm probably gonna sit on the, train or something sometimes with the computer. I don't want it to look like screaming gaming.
Yeah, I
I'm
get
gonna
that.
have a suit, I'm sitting there with a gaming laptop. Like,
It's
yeah,
okay. Who cares? Who cares?
yeah.
Apple's at resistance here. 274. Oh no, we're sitting at 270 now. I can't believe February is over already. This week. What a time. Yeah, Microsoft had a nice hold. Honestly, I feel like we could have traded options with that name as well. Again, took another Microsoft position at 381.
Yeah, you even talked about how good it was looking, and it was really looking good, right, on high time frame there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really nice. Really nice spot. to take longs there. Pulled a little bit lower than what I wanted, but yeah, 380s was the long area for me.
Hello, guys.
Low. Yeah, nice move overall with that. 391. We covered a lot actually. Almost $10 already. Google's still holding though. Held 300 pretty nicely. Looks like we're kind of flat here. Doesn't look bad to retest. I don't know. Let's see. 317 maybe? Again. It's kind of in a funny spot, but looks like we might be flagging here a little bit. It's not the best looking. It's pretty sharp as well, but yeah, it doesn't look bad.
We have no data today, by the way.
Yep.
And Nvidia earnings tomorrow. No? After close, I mean.
Yeah, it might see a little bit of a slowdown waiting for that earnings report to come out. But I guess we'll see. We shall see, we shall see. Video 194. Yeah, I think Nvidia is gonna go to 200. Like it up to 200. Oh, we're still technically at resistance here, but we could actually still sell this maybe, but based on a 4-hour, I don't think so, only because of the way we've been closing. This is kind of our first real break for the upside in terms of the 4-hour structure close. So we've been closing pretty strong, so it looks like, I don't know, I'm thinking we could kind of like squeeze up straight to 200 here. Although the daily's still rejecting, but we are going to open at a gap up here at 194, yeah. So yeah, no, that would make sense. We could possibly retest like 193, 192 again and then hold and continue to pull the highs. I think that's kind of my idea here. Alrighty.
Alex, when I use tick stop,
Mm-hmm.
I started to using that also. I get something weird when I scale out, like some
What do you get?
market buying. No, like some weird stop loss thing. That's not
Oh,
from the
when you close their
scale out
position or
of.
trim, yeah.
Yes, yeah.
So you need
What is
to.
that?
It's just like a preset limit order when you're, it's basically like adding another like limit order on your screen because you have your stop loss
Oh.
there.
Yeah.
So what I do with my trade of it, I don't know if you have multiple charts or not. Um, when you trim, you gotta make sure you have the ATM off.
Oh.
Yeah, have the bracket order off. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I think that I was having the same issue too. I think I had the ATM on, and and I was trying to close like 3 positions, but it closed like all of them at the same time. So I think you're having the same issue, Philip.
CVD looks strong overall here, I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, tickers
Even on
look
the
good,
higher
I
time
think, for
frame here.
upside. Overall. I
Yeah.
would like to see an upside day, but I'm not really sure about today with earnings. Although we could see a pre-earnings run up. Because we technically didn't really see anything yet from Nvidia, right? Did we? I mean, I guess the
Slowly,
pre-market.
right? Slowly.
Yeah, slowly. Yeah, slowly. But and that pre-market gap up is pretty nice.
Yep.
That's probably the move that you'd want to at least catch. But
Yeah, that's the slight problem here. It's gonna, fiddle until Nvidia earnings go up to maybe 200, 185 here. Then just don't deliver on us. Sometimes they do, right? Sometimes it just keeps going.
Yep.
Until here, so it's just, I think, slightly lower probability. If we're talking about a trend day today, and we have Nvidia earnings. So.
Now I'm
So
kind of.
Alex, should I?
Oh.
Oh, sorry. What were you gonna say?
No, I was gonna say now I'm kind of curious what those option premiums are gonna be at. Maybe they will flip green. I don't know. Probably not, but no, they lose a lot of theta. There's a lot of theta decay with those. Yeah, no, probably not. Never mind. Although actually, with earnings, whenever we do have earnings, IV and premiums seem to spike a lot in anticipation for earnings. So usually they're a lot more expensive. So actually, let's see what the IV is for those contracts.
Yeah, if it get a push here today, probably I think it's possible to go green. Theta was 0.98, right?
Yeah, that's a
I don't
lot. It's a
remember.
lot.
Yeah,
It's too much for
almost
me
one.
to, for at least for me to hold through. Oh yeah, 81% IV. Yeah, that's pretty high.
Oh,
Pretty
yeah.
high.
Theta 1.13.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah. But still. Alex, do you remember he was gonna teach me better options because
Yep.
I'm not good at options, picking the right ones. Yeah. was some time ago, bro.
It's easy.
Was it like 1.5 year now? 1 year?
Yeah, over a year.
Yeah, I think so. Time flies. The man Hugo is in the chat.
Morning, guys. Everybody. Yeah, I do want to see what they'll turn out as. Maybe like $3 or something. Maybe with this gap up, possibly. Or maybe actually it won't be increased at all because that theta decay is so strong.
Yeah, I cannot tell at all. Honestly. So.
It's usually how it is. When theta usually is that high, especially close to expiration, and then we have a gap of usually nothing really changes, to be honest.
Yeah, it just doesn't lose more, right?
Yeah.
Kinda.
And if anything, you'll gain a small amount or you'll lose a small amount more. So, yeah, it looks really strong though, Nvidia. Pulling the highs here.
So Alex, I need $8 today. $8.25.
Oh, that's easy then. That's one tick.
It's crazy you didn't just go through like open another trade. Impressive to be
Ah,
honest.
oh, why? No, I don't see that.
No, Philip's gonna take the trade and he's gonna be out in the first 3 seconds.
No. It will continue on the other accounts. I can flatten up those accounts. Then I actually flat everything. True. I don't care. It doesn't matter. Yeah, Nikolai, I didn't even think about trading more yesterday. But,
That's impressive.
I don't know. I don't know how to feel about having Apex accounts again.
Rich,
Well,
are you in
maybe a
PayPal? I think he got in at
PayPal.
40. Oh, for Rich.
Yeah.
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 Say it again?
PayPal gapped up to 47.
No, I'm not in PayPal, unfortunately.
Oh. Oh, 40 you said you were gonna buy it at 40.
I
Yeah,
never,
so
I
I thought so.
never.
You know?
So I had the fill at 40, or I wanted to get the fill on 40, but I completely slipped my mind. And then I thought about it like 2 days ago, and I completely forgot about it again. Like I was like I had it charted out. I had my orders set, and then I stepped away from my computer, and I closed my tabs, and I never came back to it.
Hmm.
But I will 100% enter when the market opens.
A nice push here. Sudi is strong. This is strong. Nvidia not that strong. It's Tesla that's pumping here.
Apple is strong.
Yeah.
Google's selling here a
Apple.
bit. So I think it's possible for us to retest again still and then kind of curl back up. Especially after this gap up here.
I see a lot.
Wouldn't be bad, but yeah,
of
this
buying
might
on
just
the
get squeezed
CVD.
fully up here. Depending on how tickers are moving, but super,
Microsoft
super
pushing now
strong.
also. Nvidia not pushing actually.
Yeah, it's starting to push now. Should get it to move. Let me see what those premiums are at. 200. Oh yeah, those are at 340. Wow. 350. Huh. It's actually did recover a lot. Wow, I could have gotten an extra 150 bucks per contract if I waited a bit. I think. Maybe like 100 bucks. 200 bucks. I lied. 200 bucks. Still would have been down, but yeah, they would have recovered at least like another 10%, 10 to 15%, I think.
Yeah.
It's unfortunate. Yeah, I still really like that up to 200 though, so. I think it's a little bit too late for me to enter. I really wanted that entry in like the 80s. So we'll probably just watch that. Watch that go up. Looks good. Everything's strong. Really strong.
Not Google. But
Yeah, except Google, but it's gonna walk on a overnight low here in a second.
Yeah.
If it sees some buying there, then probably get a really nice push.
So my first upside target was here. We're already here. See 300. Yeah, 310 is my next. 315 around there is the next one for me. If you wanna see more upside.
I'm actually not sure what my targets are, to be honest. Oh, I said 614 on QQQ. Yeah, 614 on QQQ is my target. So yeah, 625 365 is kind of the area I'm looking for. 340 to 365.
On the high time frame, yeah, I have 6960, 6961 on ES. If you're gonna break upside here. Google didn't hold that overnight low.
Nope.
But
Straight through, but yeah, it could still get bought on a close.
strong overall.
Yeah. Nvidia kind of
Nvidia
gave
that-
up its move a little bit.
Yeah.
Really strong candle close there. I think SPY closed. Yeah, SPY closed above that overnight high as well on that close. Let's see if we get some retest. Possibly look long still. Remember, the retest area for Nvidia for me, I think, is 193. Previous high of day. Maybe even
We have a gap
192.
fill on. Yeah, 193.06 is a gap fill. If you want to see downside from here and not just going up here.
Nvidia trying to get some buying here. If that closes strong, we might not get a retest. This might just go from here. Google held that overnight low. Yeah, it got bought on that close.
Very nice.
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah, very nice hold on the close. And also buying.
Apple back testing, filling the imbalance from opening. Not opening price now. Pre-market. Fill that imbalance. Still looks good. Looks really good actually.
Yeah.
It's a little high for me to long this though.
Are you guys on the March H contracts, like the NQH?
H6, yeah.
Yep.
I'm on H6.
Okay, just making sure because I thought you guys were saying 25,360 or something, which would be
Well, yeah, that's upside
too high.
targets. Upside targets, yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
got it. Okay, thanks.
I think I said 310, 312.
I said 360 for my upside targets.
okay.
340 to
Okay.
360.
Nice. Yet two. What the overnight long there. Very nice, very nice. Only 190 points.
Nvidia selling this. Here's the retest. Previous high, Dave.
We're losing a bit momentum here.
Yeah, that's fine.
But
Kind of want to get rid of the long. This. $230 though. I don't know.
Yeah, spiked a new high there.
Yeah. Not really a one on long, but
Mm.
looks good.
This is 250. I have resistance here. That's what I
Yeah.
want.
Kind of in the
Yeah.
same boat here. Would like, I don't know, like a VWAP back tester. Something like that. Maybe like 200 psych would be nice.
Hard test because some ticks are really strong here, right?
Yeah.
So,
1 second.
I look like wanna go. Maybe they are seeing traction here. Google also. Mm. So 230, you look for 300-ish, right? If you were looking to that long, right? Yeah, 310, 300. For me.
Alright, I'm back. Yeah, it looks like we're still climbing. So unfortunately, does not look like we'll be able to get an entry on this. We're almost at target actually. 614.
Yeah, yeah. That's the. ES is curling down here instead.
We have a 1 minute like higher low, higher high structure right now that I'm kind of watching right now.
ES
Small
back to this
buy.
overnight high there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Should see a nice push here.
On that. Yeah. It is climbing here also. Yeah. Probably gonna fill that 300, 310. This is way too late though. Overnight high retest on ES. Yeah, done some buying again. And maybe Nasdaq just. Low highs, low lows on the 1 minute, like I say. Then push up to a new high.
Maybe I should have just longed it. Should have just longed it. Ah, I did like it.
Yeah, 330 was. Yeah, 330 was fine, I think.
Yeah.
I had a retest on it. But I wanted a 200-ish entry.
Yeah, that's
So-
what I was looking for too.
That's like quite a lot stronger than ES here right now.
Yeah, a lot stronger.
Normal. Makes sense. All the Mag 7 are really strong here, actually.
ATR is
Tesla
not that
backtesting
big
feels
though.
pretty high.
Looking at
No.
this candle, right? It's not that large.
Yeah. No, it's not.
It actually looks like really normal. Like normal.
Yep. There's kind of my target-ish here. A bit 10 more points or so, but 5.
Yeah, ticker's running into some resistance here, but we should see a nice squeeze up to this. With based on the way tickers are kind of moving, we'll get a squeeze, and then we'll see this possibly flip to give us a retest. Ticker's at resistance though. Apple overnight high, Google overnight high, Video overnight high. Should see some stalling here around this 300 area.
On ES, we have more room here. I have like 17 points more than 4 years. No, we have it on the Nasdaq.
Squeeze in here a bit. Might play the rejection off like that 340 to 360 area. That's my target. Possibly. Yep. That 240 entry doesn't seem too bad now.
No. It doesn't. Looks really good. It looks really strong also. Yeah, makes sense. Microsoft went to previous week low here, 394. Should be a slight resistance.
We felt the hourly imbalance of 320.
It's not too short though, because this look a lot stronger than yesterday.
Yeah, no.
Right. Yeah.
I'm not looking short yet. I want us higher still. Maybe even 400 is possible here, actually. Either we short down to my target or at my target, or if we get a retest here, we'll go long up to it. That's kind of my idea here. $300 retest doesn't seem too bad, I don't think. Or maybe even like 280. Doesn't seem bad as a retest area for me. But everything still looks pretty strong right now, so I'm not sure if we'll actually get a retest still.
Yeah, Nvidia is breaking above overnight higher, which was the weaker ticker. CD is still going up here. Really strong trend from the open here.
Yep.
No backtest really at all. Not even on the 2 minutes for me. The 1 minute possibly we had, yeah, like you said, high lows, high highs. But
Yeah, 1 minute was kind of hard. I only really seen one entry opportunity. Maybe two, but even then it wasn't great. It's not really the spot why I wanted to long. So
always easy hindsight, so that's how it is, right? Knew it was gonna end hard like this.
yeah, I mean I liked upside overall, but it's just it's a bit hard. It's long up there because I really didn't know possible upside potential on that move. Because that was technically long right at resistance, but I guess that's you'll be looking for a breakout, which we kind of are doing.
Yep. Yeah, to the daily. I feel the daily here, kind of hourly. Me. Yeah, Carlos, you have the same levels as me there. Yeah, here and then 960, top of the resistance.
I think I like 960 better, to be honest. Yeah, tickers are kind of moving right now. I definitely would not advise going against this. At least not till you have some confirmation anyways. But like I said, we are kind of at resistance here. We have a little bit more room possibly, but I'm thinking up to 400 actually, rather than 360 here. It seems a bit high, but actually it's not that far. Only 60 points higher, but based on the way everything is moving, it looks strong. Should get some back testing here.
Yeah, EOS is selling a lot
Yeah.
more here.
Yeah,
now.
we should get some back test here.
So this going down here. Bit.
Alright, here we go. Finally getting some retest.
Where would you want to long this if you was gonna long though?
Not sure. To be honest, I'm not sure. I kind of need to see tickers where they
Yeah.
pull back to, if they pull back at all anyways.
Yeah.
I think I'll probably use that as my guide, but
Mm.
that might have just been it right there. Who knows?
300 if. That's fine. Yeah. Yeah, tick is so strong. He has pulled back really nice there, but Nasdaq.
Yeah, I was hoping a little bit more out of that, I'm not gonna lie.
Mm. The high and sold. The one.
Yeah, tickers look really strong. Really, really strong. Maybe we just long this here? I don't know. It's a tough spot for me.
See some stalling here overall.
Yeah, it pulled up to that 360 level I mentioned.
Mhm.
Maybe
Yeah.
we could actually shorten this area down to a retest. Not really sure what I want to do. Mm. Oh, Microsoft almost back at 400 already. Oh,
Yeah, it's really that the meta is
2.3%. Yeah, Meta of 1.89. Nvidia 1.7. It's a really strong run up here. Pre-earnings.
yeah. But Netflix has a really nice run up today, also 4.5%.
Not really. I actually forgot
As
to
we
buy
have
some more.
them. Yeah.
77, I think. 75, I think I wanted.
Yeah, 75. 75. I know, 76, I think. Was, yeah.
Around there, yeah. That's okay. Not gonna complain. Yeah, price is stalling here a little bit.
Makes sense though. Apple backtesting. Google actually sold.
Yeah. Below view up there. Yeah, I guess this is the pre-earnings run up then.
Mm.
Not sure if we could see more potential from it, but it's definitely not out of the picture.
PayPal really strong also. Just watching the high time frame. Mhm. ES is selling here, but not sure
Trying
about
to view up.
Nasdaq here.
I wonder if Nvidia actually is going to go for 200 today. Is that possible? Maybe. It's not really volatile. The ATR is a little bit low. But I mean, unless we slow grind all day today, it's possibly see that, but kind of inverted hammer close there on the 5. Not the best close, but tickers still don't really look weak yet.
No. ES back to quite nice here, overnight high ish. But not Nasdaq.
Those Nvidia contracts almost fully recovered.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost there. Not fully, but it's probably like down like, I don't know, 10% now.
Yes. Selling underneath overnight high here. The 360 short worked, by the way.
Hmm.
40 points from here. If you got in at that 1 minute candle with a limit order, I guess. Could back this to 280 here, right?
Yeah, 280 is
Yes,
what I'd
yes,
look for
kinda
here.
lost.
Waiting for tickers to retest here as well. And just support.
Some has quite long.
Yeah, we
I
should
squeezed
have
a lot Meta,
room.
Microsoft.
But a lot of times when we have these large gaps and, you know, room like this, we don't usually tend to fill it all the way down. Maybe like the first 5-minute imbalance or second 5-minute imbalance into VWAP 9 EMA, I think is reasonable to look long there.
ES is almost at open price here, while Nasdaq is
Yeah.
just
Filled a 5-minute imbalance actually. Holding.
yeah on ES.
This could be it for the retest, like I said. Could actually see some buying again here. It's not really where I want to buy, but unless we see a little bit of a flip with SPY and Qs. Yeah, that was the trend line, right? That it rejected? Yeah, the higher high
Yeah.
trend line. Nice. Should pull that a little bit lower here, I think. I want us to take out that liquidity low on the 1 minute, right at 300. We should be able to get that. She goes. Guess both ideas worked. How I said it. Long up to 360 and then short at 360.
Yeah, it worked perfectly.
We are trying to defend this 300 though. Getting a little bit of buying, but no, I still think we should be able to pull lower based on Microsoft here. Microsoft has room, Nvidia has some room here.
Yeah.
SPY's holding this imbalance though, which is quite nice.
No.
I kind of want Q's 5-minute imbalance to fill here as well.
Yeah, either we go for that 2.8 here, or we hold this area where we are and go for a new node. I think.
Yeah, we're
And go to
supposed to be a lot
370.
of buying here. I think. Trying to sell this a bit lower, I think. Yeah, I kind of don't mind 400 here. 400 doesn't seem like a bad target, actually. Maybe even, like, draw above 400. Anybody take anything yet?
I'm currently in shorts at 317. I kind of want to see this 290 area maybe, or start interacting with that gap. But other than that,
Very
It's
nice.
not too bad for
Looks
a
good.
pullback.
I like it.
depending on how it moves.
I like one more leg lower.
Nvidia still has yeah. Nvidia still has a bit more room, but
Yeah, if it wants to retest VWAP, it's possible, but doesn't have to as well. You should get your move here, Deuce. I think.
I had a 300 there.
Yeah, 300 cycles. It's kind of a nice TP1.
That's- Yeah, ES saw some buying there on that. Fill off imbalance there slightly, but Nasdaq still selling, like you said. Shifted a bit. Maybe this sees some selling more based on Meta, Microsoft, and Nvidia here, right? It could.
Yeah, I wouldn't look to really
Nice
long
short.
directly off of it, but or maybe I would. I don't know. It
Nice
depends
short,
on
by the
tickers.
way.
Yeah. Here's your TP Deuce. 5-minute imbalances should get filled here, so you should actually have a little bit more room lower to the like 80s.
Now that 360 to 80s looks good. Really good. Not a bad idea. Yeah. Went about that imbalance. Head and shoulders kinda sold.
Yeah, I didn't hate the short at like 320. 320, 330 wasn't terrible.
320 would get stopped, right? So.
If you shorted at 320?
Oh, you mean on the right side? Yeah.
No,
so
right,
not
yeah.
on
Like the lows after
right
we
side.
sold down and then
Yeah.
kind of came back up. That wasn't a bad area. Waiting for tickers here though. See how they react.
Yeah, we took the low on ES here. Some buying on that. Apple is looking good here overall, I would say. But
Nvidia should have room. Then the VWAP, tap into that, and then
yeah, slight more room there. Did you get the trim off Deuce?
or exit even. I think exit was valid there.
That's it. I took a trim around 290. I'm holding 2 contracts still.
Oh.
That was some aggressive buying though, so I might look to take one more off and then pull my running for break even. But I am break even.
Yeah,
on this
Nvidia's
one.
coming down to VWAP here. It already hit VWAP, right?
Yeah.
It did there.
Let's have you up right now. So if we actually see some buying here, yeah, I probably wouldn't look for too much in terms of like the downside targets for me. Only just based on the way how strong tickers are, their limits for possible downside. So we're not really seeing a flip on anything yet. More so just back testing. So yeah, your targets would be for the back test of certain tickers and then maybe look for a full breakdown, possibly, if you were feeling a bit confident.
Small cap are kind of flat today. Oh, Bitcoin had a nice buy,
Did it?
4.4% on the low.
I think we pulled down to low 60. We didn't quite get into the 50 how I wanted.
No, 59.970 was the low, but this low we had here was a lot shallower, 62.5.
Yeah. Yeah, back up to 66 already.
Looks like they're trying to hold it here with Nvidia holding VWAP there.
Kind of want to see one more leg down.
Based on Meta and Google and Tesla, or
Yeah.
yeah, selling here, previous week high again. Took the low there. I didn't feel the imbalance. Very close. 5. No.
Yeah, very close, very close.
Oh, sorry.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Getting some buying here.
Yes, he's holding here also. Apple buying, Microsoft buying. Yeah. Not really seeing that buying on Nvidia, but
Small 1 minute flag, maybe?
I think that looks good based on ES here.
Yeah. Might take this here. Waiting for some confirmation though here.
Yeah, it's not the
Not
cleanest.
fully
yes.
convinced just yet.
No. So this could also be a minor flag that sells down one more leg, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's
And that
the
would be enough to
ES.
tag this out there.
Yeah. Google, Tesla is not. Apple is not the. Meta is not the sexiest. But overall, still looks quite strong.
Doing some buying.
So it is going up also. It's kind of slow PA, but
Okay, I'm in long.
looks good.
What am I now? 15. 315, I'm in long.
So 90, 95 stop. 85 stop then.
85. I'm gonna look for a pullback up to the highs here, I think. Yeah, 30 point stop is valid here. Yeah, 30 points if we sell down again. But you got some buying there. Yeah, tickers look good still. Or decent, I guess. Probably wouldn't want to see this get sold though. I'm wondering if we could run something a bit tighter. Maybe like 90, you think? I don't think that looks bad. 25 point stop instead of 30. Yeah, let me do
Yeah.
that. I'm gonna do 90
Please don't.
actually. 25 point stop. Nice buying here. Yeah, 25 point stop. So I have at 290 my stop. Entry at 315. Oh, nice pop here. It's actually not that many points. Only 15 points here. Oh. Not as much as I thought. I think we'll look for 30 points here, guys. Not too much. Yep. We should actually trim here if you actually got a nice entry there. If you got a better entry than me, this is some nice momentum to take some profit off. Remember, ATR here is lower, so we're not going to be looking for as much as what we normally look for on a regular day, in my opinion. Also, since we took more of like a confirmation breakout entry rather than a reversal. So, yeah, 30 points is valid to take.
I cleared my apex.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice.
Well, I flattered them plus $100.
That's still good.
So I needed 8. Yeah.
As long as you got that payout secured.
This is the fill of the first imbalance on ES here on the upside.
Yeah. Like I said, this is kind of TP1 here, actually. Right at resistance on the 5. Right out to 40. Yeah, 340. First zone. Oh, nice, Hugo. Yeah, some of you guys might have gotten a better entry than me. It did pull down there a bit, so. Like 10 point. Yeah, pull down like an extra 10 points below my entry, so. I think this might be able to squeeze though. I think we'll be able to take out a new high.
Yeah, I just took one off there on the 37. One off. Maybe they sold their Google.
Apple looks strong. Microsoft looks strong. And Nvidia looks good. I think Nvidia looks perfect.
First
Actually,
reaction on that
that's exactly what you'd want to see.
imbalance field.
Nice
Yeah,
buying coming in from view
yeah.
up, and we would look to take out new highs. You're trading, I mean, low trading, low ATR, it's the same exact thing. It's just you're not looking for as much points. Structurally wise, you know, it makes sense to take profit here because this is our resistance on a 5-minute. So we're just trading based off structure, not, you know, based on points. That's the only difference.
Yeah.
And then when it's high ATR, we're...
But you didn't take anything off.
No, I didn't take
You
anything
didn't
off,
take
no.
anything off, Alex.
No.
Oh.
And I guess, yeah, when it comes to high ATR, we kind of more so trade off points rather than structure because it's a lot of momentum. But if you're able to obviously leave some room on the table. Yeah, here we go. We should get a nice push here. This looks good. Tickers look good across the board. I'm gonna look for the highs here.
You said BTO5 by the way. You took.
Oops,
That's why I was wondering.
that's not correct. Oh, I thought I put a 1.5 there. I'm gonna do another ad on that. Sorry. Okay. Same entry, cool. No, I'm not using an indicator. I'm just using based on price from the candlesticks. It's honestly, reading ATR is actually pretty easy. Just, you know, pay attention to the size of the 5-minute candles and, you know, how quick they're moving. No, not 10 cons. I
wouldn't.
misclicked earlier from the 5.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to see this sell down or stop though here, kinda, right?
Yeah,
Just put
if we
still.
get tagged out, then the setup probably is
Oh,
invalid, I'll be
oh.
honest.
No. Go for a lower high here instead,
Mhm.
or flat,
Yeah.
right? On the 5.
Yeah, I'm on 15 contracts. I just mistyped earlier. I only put 5 instead of 15. So I had to add in my other 5 contracts for the bot to record the trade. Did you get your trim, Carlos?
Seeing a lot of momentum here.
I think you should have gotten your trim.
Oh, 4-2. Yeah.
41.25, yeah. You should have gotten filled on this trim.
Yeah. On that second pop. Oh.
Come on.
Google sold a bit there.
Yeah,
Microsoft took the
it's kind of
high.
flagging. Not the biggest fan of Google, to be honest. Nvidia I think still looks good. Apple still looks okay. Microsoft still looks okay, but we're kind of back to entry price here. Didn't really want to see that, I'll be honest.
Yeah.
Sold pretty quickly there. No, it's gonna tag me out.
No, where did you stop? 95, right? No, 85.
90.
Oh.
I think it's gonna tag us. That sold pretty hard.
Yeah, yes, sold hard. Yeah.
Yeah, TP1 sold us there. Right into resistance. We might be able to get VWAP here for this downside push. VWAP on QQQ. Those are look good though. I honestly kind of want to manually stop out here.
But your stop loss is at 90, right?
Yeah, it's
right
at 90.
here.
It's only 25 points. Yeah, it's basically here. It's gonna get
Yeah.
tagged.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
out.
Yeah. Meta sold there. Almost all Google sold perfectly there. Mm-mm.
Unfortunate. Yeah, structure was looking kind of nice there.
And this could still be a 5-minute flag to set up.
Oh, I got
Further down.
slippage on that. I still
Yeah.
got an 85 exit, even with it being at 90.
Oh, yeah. I'm not red though. It was not that bad.
Oh, you got your
So-
trim off, right?
No, I just trimmed. No, I trimmed one of
Hmm.
3, so still red trade. Of
Yeah, still
course,
red, but not as bad, I guess.
I had around same entry as you, Alex. I didn't think it was meant to trim a lot there on that high on the resistance for me. So because that was ish 1R, right?
Yeah, it was 1R. Yeah, I was looking for
1R.
45 though.
Yeah.
For that 30
Yeah.
points, at least for me. For
Yeah, I
keep it
was
trim.
looking for NHOD there. I was looking for 370. But
Yeah, this could still flag though. Ooh, voice crack. Yeah, this could still flag here possibly. We're still holding. I think as long as we're above as long as we're above view up, this setup for long idea probably is still valid. At least for me, anyways. But might just take some time.
yeah,
to
just going for that micro scale to the 5 instead, and you could form a flag here
Mm-hmm.
instead. This reaction still possible. I'm not looking at chart now and getting something to drink, but so if we are flushing down, please say stop, Philip. I think Nvidia still looks good here. Just
Yeah,
wholly
tickers
the
all
structure.
tickers still look fine actually. Google actually sold down to support overnight low again. Still possible for this to hold for me.
Mm. Would be nice to see this 5-minute imbalance get filled though. Right? Get
Yeah.
filled last time. Very close.
If we could tap into view ops, that'd be nice.
Are we looking to trade more or not?
Yeah, probably.
That's the question.
Probably like for one more. I don't know about 2 more.
Gonna sit here all day with possibly low ATR then, I think.
Yeah. I almost want to try another attempt down here. Just flags like this, and then we get some buying. Doesn't look bad. I don't hate the
Yeah.
idea.
Go for the range, top
Mhm.
range.
Yeah, upper end of the
Fair,
range.
right.
Basically where we just were at the 40s. If you could get a sell down to view up, maybe get a wick below. Buy if around like here or something. Right? 5-minute candle gets bought. And it will look to target the upper end of the range and then maybe even a breakout.
I guess Google sold to supply here, and rest of tickers looks kind of good.
Yeah, Nvidia flagging here. Not really sure what sold us there, to
Good
be honest.
possible
Mainly Google actually. No, Google sold us.
Yeah, Google, and we had that pullback on Nvidia and Meta.
Very slight though. Very slight. The only one that was really weak there was Google.
When we talked about that entry at the 300, that would still be nice, yeah. U-star entry with the TP1, I guess. Slightly too tight, right? No. Yeah, this still looks kind of strong. Still wondering if we get one more leg here down now or not.
That's what I'm thinking.
Sure.
Kind of want one more leg lower and then maybe a hold,
Yeah.
but I guess we'll see. Based on structure across tickers.
Brian, are you still holding your silver longs, by the way? So silver is at 90 now. So it's a nice buying actually overall.
Yeah, I like long silver when it was at like 70.
70.
Yeah, really nice.
71.
It was what, 50% from the highs? No.
Yeah, no,
Almost 50,
let's
almost 50%. Oh no, it went down to 60,
50?
65, yeah, almost 50%.
Oh, okay. No, no.
Getting some buying. Flag is still
Yeah.
valid and intact.
So this is some buying here also. Tickets. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun.
Do I want to take an entry right here again? Right at 10.
Would be nice to have that imbalance fill not get tagged us, but I think it's hard to get. Was expecting to get the fill before.
Wow, that stopped me at the very bottom tick there. That's kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I don't know about you guys,
Yeah.
but that little pop down, I got slippage on that and it filled me at the very bottom tick. That's kind of crazy.
I had slight slippage, but not as bad as you. Yeah. 2.25 points. You had 5 points, right?
Yeah,
That's a
5
lot.
points, yeah. Over 5 points, 85.25.
Oh, Carlos also got the slippage.
I mean, Carlos are in the same boat then.
Oh, everyone. Did I get least slippage? Wow. Oh, got quite a slippage. I mean, Carlos said no. Did you not get your trim off? Well, this might be quite low liquidity. Quite low. This is not high volume day, right?
No, it's
low
not, it's
like
low.
yesterday.
I think we're waiting for Nvidia earnings.
Yeah.
Yeah, Philip, I'm still in my silver longs. I still have a ways to go to get back to BE or close to BE.
Well, okay. Better than no accounts getting that. You say we're gonna get that next push.
Yeah, 1 minute flag here.
Tail break out on the one for me and then sold down. And Nvidia stalling here now. Not the easiest day if you were not into that long, so got your the 360 short. We don't need to talk about Alex. Kind of top tick there.
Yeah, I said 340 between 340 to 360. Either way, we would have worked. Even if we had a 40 entry, we would not have gotten stopped. I kind of like days like this because it actually gives our trade a lot of room to breathe. 30 points. It's quite nice, at least for me, anyways. I think.
Yeah, still looks quite good. Here. Look on the hourly previous week high back test. Trying to close above. I could still wick down. I think it can be hard to read when you don't see that oomph, you know. For me at least CVD, you know, we pushed there and then just flat for me. Don't see any real convictions. But it's better. Nvidia still looks quite good here overall.
Yeah, it's still flagging. Tickers look good overall. Just wondering if I want to take an entry here or not. Really don't like taking the same setup over and over again, though. Especially at the same entry. I would like to get a better entry, but
Yeah.
it looks good overall still. At least for right now, anyways.
Could still go for that balance fill.
Yeah, no, we still could.
Just
Yeah,
wondering
we're
where
just
you
still in
go.
structure. Spy has a very nice flag, I'll say that.
Yeah.
Very, very nice.
Would you really want that to see it to go to VWAP and then bounce on the open price? Already bounced at the open price once, I'm not sure. Google are selling, Nvidia are selling a bit though.
Maybe this will get sold. It's kind of late already. Almost 11.
Yeah. That's why I was wondering if he was gonna take another one or just give up until the Nvidia ER kind of thing. You know? Is it Friday tomorrow? No, Thursday. Okay.
I'm hoping we see maybe a pickup in ATR once we actually get a break from this range. Honestly, looking at it, we really haven't moved much, especially just looking at Spy. Spy hasn't moved at all today, really.
No. Spy is kind of flat, same as small cap. Just tech that was strong.
Yeah.
It been pushed.
Selling it down a little bit here.
I was looking to if I want to sell at 300, but it's just 20 points to the target kinda. 260. I think it's not high probability at all. Go get supply.
Should be able to take out the lows here, I think.
Yeah.
Take out the lows and then into VWAP, hopefully.
Thank God I flattened my apex, by the way. Good choice.
Yeah.
That loss was, would have been super small anyway, but still. I mean, in terms of points.
Yeah, 30 points isn't bad. That's what we actually used to normally look for. 30 points.
Yeah.
30 to 35 points. It's just, we've kind of been used to the high ATR. Higher ATR anyways.
But we are doing slight, not this trade, but overall slight bigger stop on the higher ATR also, so makes sense. You don't want to go for 25 points if you use a 30 point stop. It's gonna be hard.
Selling it here a bit. Should get VWAP.
But you
Come
know,
on.
if you got in your short at 360 and you're holding right now, you would still get a lot of points.
Oh yeah.
Very long hold.
It's actually not that bad. It's only 80
Yeah.
points for
Yeah.
an hour hold. I'm okay.
Yeah. But that's because it's top tick on the week. It's
There's
not like
VWAP.
it's-
This is VWAP here.
And now I look at tickers and I don't think they look as strong anymore.
They look okay.
So-
I don't think anything looks bad, to be honest.
Google. Meta. I think. Total VWAP. I can still see higher, I guess.
This is the lower low, the range here on Qs.
Was it here you wanted to long?
Kind
No.
of. Kind of. I want to wick below here.
50% retrace to 50 to 60 to 55. If that's possible. NVIDIA is seeing strength here overall.
Wow, that was a quick buy.
The NVIDIA popped there.
Alright, I'm back in. Back in longs. 78. 30 point stop.
So stop is like, yeah.
Here's the wick
Where's your stop
below.
then?
48. Wow, that actually sold a lot deeper than I wanted. This is, I guess this could still be the wick below, but
EB midday is at 60.59 here.
see if this got spot on the lower end of the range here. That's what I'm mainly looking to see. If this flag wants to continue to stay inside structure.
Nvidia popped more there, but hell was it Meta, Apple, Microsoft?
Yeah, this probably will be the last one for today, at least for me.
Are you in longs?
I am in longs.
Okay.
So probably want to see this get bought on the yeah, I guess that's gonna be 11 a.m. candle close. So if we look at the hourly, let's see. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell, but yeah, I guess right where our entry is, we'd probably want to see it get bought.
Mm.
Do you guys have a similar entry to me or
Yeah,
a better entry?
No, I got the same entry, so bad.
I don't think it's terrible.
I
I think
was
it's actually
targeting
okay.
lower, but yeah, but after that, sell to 63.
Yeah,
It
obviously after the
looks
sell to
more point
63,
than it is
obviously,
also.
yeah.
Yeah.
It actually is
CD
a lot of
Ghost
room though.
got a
It's
better.
a lot of room structurally. We probably wouldn't want to see our stop loss get tagged, obviously. But
No.
yeah, no, I think our entry's okay, even if we did wick a little bit. So we're just gonna look for the upper end of the range here on the 5.
It's just the problem here of Nvidia. I kind of want to go to NHOD, right? But then
Yep.
you need Apple. Looks good. Microsoft looks
Yeah.
good. I don't know about Google though, honestly.
Google, it's running
Can't say.
liquidity. I have a level here at 309.56
Yeah,
coming up here.
309.
Yeah, upper end of the range is at 315 or so. Yeah, 315 would technically be TP1 here, which is kind of plenty of points. Yeah, I don't mind that.
Where?
315.
Sorry?
TP1 should be for the lower high on the 5-minute, and we would actually look for the breakout.
I have
Is it 3? I don't know. It's around there. Upper end of the range for the lower high.
320-ish, right? Yeah.
Yeah, 320, 320. I guess it doesn't really matter. We have that
No,
1 minute imbalance above there. I'm mainly looking at the 1 minute here, so that's why I said 315. But yeah, I guess we do have that imbalance there.
I don't know how much you would look for today. With how slow it is. Also, that's the problem here.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Kinda.
kind of trying to
If it
figure
wasn't
out here.
Nvidia ER, yeah. If it was not Nvidia ER, I would be
Still
like, oh,
decent points
this
though.
could
Already.
squeeze to an NHOD,
Yeah. Look at SPY though. SPY actually looks really good. It's actually kind of breaking out.
Yeah,
You
SPY
see
looks
that
good.
that pull
Yeah,
above
overnight
view
high.
up. Yeah, view up overnight high, 90 MA. Looks good for a pull higher, and then that should drive us up to the upper end of the range there on NQ, hopefully.
I was thinking to reduce my stop loss here a bit with this 8
New
hour.
low.
No, this is kind of.
New low, you
Yeah,
think?
do you think it's fair? You think it's fine?
I think it's fine. I don't think it's bad. Yeah, why not? You want to do that? Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna do 63. 15-point risk. That's pretty good. We're pulling up nicely here, guys. Yeah, stop to new low, Rich. 63, so 15-point risk for me. But yeah, we're up here. We're up.
Yeah. Took a trim there at 310.
Very nice. Very nice. Oh, that
Oh,
got
wow.
sold. I did not get a
Okay, I
trim.
guess I liked my trim then. What was? No.
Yeah, we're at resistance here based on the 1 minute. We do have the imbalance.
on the ES there, we were at the breakout here, right?
Yeah.
That's why EB mid. If it want to be dirty, you just could range instead. So that's why I took off.
Yeah, no, it's valid. It's valid to take off
Yeah.
here.
I had a really good trim though. Yeah. I had a 310. That's top tick. Yeah. I think it looks good. Tickets look good here. If yeah, I just except Google, okay, Microsoft, yes, but.
Is it really a good idea to bring stops tighter though? That's kind of what
A
I'm
day
wondering
like
here.
this, I just. You don't think it's good?
I don't know. I'm wondering. I'm really trying to think because we could still pull down and yeah.
You mean on the 5, right?
Yeah, just looking at the 5. I'm wondering if that was a good call or not. Whatever. I mean, we'll only be minus 45 for today, so it's not that bad, I guess.
We were up about 30 points there. Yeah. Right. Yeah. So then the stop was like 70 points, right?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I see on the 5 here, 280. Where's the stop? No, I think still. It depends how nasty it should be. I mean, technically we could go for EB mid to 58 for me, and kill that 53, possibly return and fail this flag, right?
Yeah.
We'd see this sell on ES then. Yeah. Then maybe that other stop could save us and this not. I agree with that.
We'll see. We're already in it. It's already moved. I'm not changing it. See, that's a good thing, right? Once you move it, you don't want to change it. You only want to tighten your stop,
that's
not
dangerous.
expand it. Right? So if it happens, it happens. Oh well. We are selling this though.
Yeah.
I will say we are still holding above VWAP though, which is good.
Apple looks good here, but Microsoft could sell a bit still.
Google's
Yes.
seeing some buying though. Nvidia looks decent. Apple looks good. And it's kind of only Microsoft here, but I'm not really sure why we're not getting. I mean, I guess it's because we're range bound here, but I don't know.
Because Nvidia earnings. Just gonna see this flatness. I have a limit at 300. Oh, okay. Yeah, you already got hit on the limit then. Yeah, I really like the enter based on ES there also. Just not seeing the follow up
No.
right now. Some tickers looks like it's following up, but
Yeah, they look good, but we're not really getting the momentum off
Restart.
keys. Which means that there really isn't a lot of correlation or something else is holding us down here. Although maybe not really, because nothing really is leading. It's not like anything is super strong. Everything's kind of just consolidating and being a bit range bound, I guess.
Probably wait for NVIDIA ER. That's the hard truth here, I think. This was the imbalance fill on the 280 though. Let's see if it buys here.
Although, if this does get bought, this actually would be really nice.
Yeah.
I think what I would probably look for here, trim at like the 20s or something like that. 20, 25 area, and then, I don't know, break even stops, I guess. Or maybe even take full there. Come back tomorrow. It'll be a flat day. Flat slash slightly green day, actually. Oh, nice, Carlos. Did you have like a 60
This is
entry?
nice.
I'm assuming. Low 70, maybe 60 entry.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Oh my God. Nice.
Nicely
Nice.
done.
Nice.
Looks good though. 5 minutes setting up nicely. Got some buying there. Want to see this close higher though. Close above probably 310 would be
300 here.
preferred. Yeah, 300 to 310 would be
Least-
preferred.
At least here where it's stalling. If ES recover, it'll be mid here. It should have room here. Apple has room here, I think still. So, but just see no buying, nothing on CVD. It just flatlined.
Nothing aggressive, but I think once we actually get a move, we should see. Richard mic is on.
Yeah. NVIDIA see the pop
Yeah,
here.
Yeah, once we actually see a break, I think we should get some more momentum and then, probably start to pick up a little bit, but SPY's moving nicely. I like it up to that wick on the 5 at least. It's kind of breaking. Yeah, Apple looks good up to P-Hod. NVIDIA looks like it could take out a new high of day. I like it.
Choose 15-minute risk. Yeah.
Oh, nice. We're in the same trade as PK. That's good. That's a good sign.
Yeah, give us 200 points now, PK.
Give it to us.
No, but ES is actually stronger here than the Nasdaq.
That is true.
I was
Yeah.
gonna say, based on the how it looks on the structure. But if ES breaks here, Nasdaq should break also. Yes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I mean, we kind of.
This
Yeah.
could be a long hold though. I think so.
Yeah. We're getting that flip, kind of like I mentioned earlier, where Q starts to slow down a bit and then SPY starts to actually lead. I think I mentioned that earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe it does run 100 points over 4 hours. Who knows? I'm just looking to be break even on the day. That's all I really care about. Break even day is good.
Yeah.
Although a red day isn't bad
Peter,
either.
I have amazing news. Was it that you go? What news do you have? What is the new? Please tell me.
You got payout? Question mark.
10k. Oh, it's the 10k a month, right? Oh boy, yeah. Oh, nice, 10k a month. That's nice. Awesome.
Oh, nice, Hugo.
Awesome.
Nice, 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 nice.
Yeah. You're doing what I am doing with like no, almost no accounts. That's insane. Gonna be yellow sub from all on you also.
Nice. Love to see that. Love to see that. Small sizing is key. No need to be super aggressive in your sizing.
Yeah, just the 200 accounts and you're fine. Yeah, doing 20 Nasdaq. Oh, maybe 40. I don't know.
Can't wait till I'm doing 20 Nasdaq, man.
90 accounts to keep me 90. Yeah, it's hard to find good accounts though, I'm gonna say. I kinda not adding anything else. Oh, it's stalling so much here.
Yeah,
I'm at
Apple's
300.
moving too.
Yeah, yeah,
Apple's
yeah.
moving. Nvidia put a new high, but we're not even moving
Coming
at
up to
all.
P-Hod. Yeah.
I'm almost tempted to put break-even stops on. I'm not gonna lie. No, let's not do that. We only have 15 points of risk. Remember, this is a low ATR day, so we're really, realistically, it's not going to be a super large loss on the day.
No.
45 points. Like, we literally made 45 points yesterday. So, that's fine.
On our
Or
coffee
maybe
holding.
yeah.
Super paper. No, no. It looks really strong.
Spy took out the wick. I don't know if I liked
Yeah.
that was kind of my target, and we did not move at all on cues.
Nothing. Yeah, Google's selling now. Microsoft also kinda just.
Go back up.
Yeah, this could easily set up for a new lot here again, right?
Yep.
Still a lower high on the 5 on Nasdaq. Kinda. Yeah.
I mean, structurally wise, we should tap into the upper end of the range though again, at least once. Because we did just pull into the lows. I mean, we don't really have to, but it would be nice to actually see that get tapped into again. But yeah, this is kind of a wall here at 310. Well, if I had a slightly better entry, I would have been able to get my trim off. I don't know, maybe my entries have been kind of bad today. Have they? I don't think so. I don't think they're that bad.
No, the market is just not moving.
Yep.
I don't think your entry is bad.
Yeah, and tickers did take out the highs how I wanted it to as well, so yeah, it did not really get that momentum. I wonder if they've actually pulled it. If it pulls back, that might be enough to tag us out. Put in a new low and then still continue to be stuck inside of range, possibly.
But then you're not looking at the 1 minute head and shoulders here, and this is the right shoulder, and we're gonna explode to NHOD here.
Yeah, that's also true. Yeah, yeah, we kind of flagging here actually on the one.
Yeah, it is 1 minute head and shoulders.
Yep.
I wasn't kidding about that.
Yeah. I see it. I see it. Well, that's good. Yeah. Neckline's gonna be at 310. We'll look to target 20. No, we look for to target higher if it is the head and shoulders. Based on the 1 minute flag here, we would look to target 320. Right? Yeah. 1 minute imbalance there. Yeah. That'd be TP1. Maybe even a wick above, but looks right to me. Might go grab a snack. That's good buying there. Nice. And for the structure of that 1 minute. It's kind of a really
I
nice
kind of
flag,
just
actually.
want to add back some sign.
I know, I'm not
Yeah,
gonna.
I kind of want to add back
It's
slice
actually
here.
quite nice. This looks really good, actually. If this flag could break upside, I'll actually be pretty confident in this, I think. Well, you got your trim off, right? Or no?
Yeah, I trimmed like 2 hours ago.
Oh, okay.
I had a 310 trim.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
I don't like that. I was thinking on B stops for me. I'm just gonna take the B day then instead of red, but I don't like Nvidia here. Not it can hold right here on a 96, but the market just looks stiff. It just
Yeah, the
looks
rest of
like
the market's a bit
gonna
weaker, I guess.
nowhere until Nvidia ER, because Tesla sold there. It doesn't give me. It looks good before this 1 minute candle for me, but
No, I think it's fine. As long as we hold basically
yeah,
above our entry price.
yeah,
As long as we're above our entry price, setup is
yeah, yeah,
valid. And then once we get tagged, then I would not like it. So yeah, no, setup is valid, structure and stop placement is correct here. At least for me.
No, I mean 266, right?
266,
Oh, where do you have your stop?
63.
Oh, 63. Oh, okay.
Yeah, 15 points. 15 points from entry.
Oh, it's just 15 points. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not a lot, right? It looks like a lot more than
Yeah,
it
yeah,
actually is, right?
yeah, yeah, it looks a lot.
It's not a lot though.
Just the moves here on this flag is nothing. Kinda, it's so little points. Yeah. I mean, is he selling this flag breakout? Is it is a retest? Kinda is, right? On the flag, on a 5.
No, we haven't broken it yet.
No, it's a retest, right?
Retest for what? Oh, spy. Oh,
Wait,
spy?
I'm
Yeah,
gonna main
kind of.
chat. I have a like
Getting
this.
there. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, and that is a retest on spy, yeah. Yeah, that's why I was kind of wondering, maybe it's kind of a bad thing that we moved our stop. Maybe I shouldn't have moved it. Give this some room to breathe, just in case. I don't know.
It kinda needs to go soon here, I think. This on this retest here on ES. And I'm not in love with tickers anymore, kinda.
Yeah, I'd agree. I'd agree. It's fine, then we should see buying here, though.
I mean,
This is support.
yeah, it needs to buy here. Yeah, that's where we look for. Oh, that's
Oh, that's a good candle.
yeah.
Oh, that's a nice candle. Okay. I like that. 1 minute got bought there. Structure is actually breaking out here on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Flag.
Yeah. So the 5 minute retested, right?
Yeah. It's trying to. We got to see the close though. That's gonna be most important here.
Could still sell down here again and go nowhere.
Nvidia's giving up its move here. Stuck in range for the 1 minute again still, but what a long day. Long and uneventful day. We're doing all this for 30 points.
It's told that buy up there directly.
Yeah, it just tapped into the 1 minute. Higher end of the range. We
Yeah.
didn't even break on the close.
Yeah. I was expecting that ES candle to possibly see buying, but
It's holding
on the
overnight.
retest there on the 636. Yeah, on the retest there on the overnight high
Mhm.
and the flag retest. It's
Alright.
still on the it's still holding though, right? So nothing. Oh. Yeah, it's probably better to not trade this. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, you should just take our 20 points and then just call it.
No. You do whatever you want to do, man.
I'll only be down 10 points on the day if I do that. Diamond hands, diamond hands. Let me pull out the sticker.
I am getting jittery. Yeah, I have to.
That's how it is. That's how it is.
Pop it.
Yeah, when we sit in the trade for a long time, it's like you gotta remember the system.
I have
though.
a better entry. I have a better entry on CVD, and I have B stop there. Not gonna.
There's no reason to get jittery, Rich, because the risk here is not a lot. It's only 15 points.
Yeah.
Only 15 points. So it's, like I said, it's really not a lot to be jittery about. I mean, we literally recovered.
But now we're not seeing any movement scan at all. I mean, ES sure, but Nasdaq ES. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nvidia sold that strength there. Meta had a nice pop. So.
I'm kind of getting jittery too. I'm not gonna lie. Like, maybe it's because I've been sitting here for too long. Maybe I need to get up.
Yeah, go for a walk.
Go pet my dog really quick. Oh wait, maybe we'll might get our trim here actually.
I was gonna say something very inappropriate there, so I'm not gonna say it. I was gonna keep it, but yeah. Because I'm getting a bit bored on this trade. Yeah, ES had a nice. No, no. Okay, I can't say that. You're recording this, right?
I am. I am.
Oh yeah. ES looks good though. Went above EB mid here. Back test, yeah. Longest 1 minute flag I've seen in quite some time.
I will say the probability of us hitting the 20s again, I think I think it will happen eventually. Just not sure when. Especially if we break out here. Okay.
I mean, ES looks solid on a
Yeah.
on a normal day. This looks super good, right?
Yep.
On a normal day. I would be super confident on ES here. Overall. Okay. ES is going, but Nasdaq just sold that new high there.
I'm tempted to do break even too, I'm not gonna lie.
I have a BE now.
You have
I don't
BE, huh?
care. Yeah, but don't follow Philip.
Do I want to pull a fill up? I kind of want to.
No, no. But ES looking good here, but yeah. No, I kind of like ticker still on Nasdaq overall. I don't see a case why this should sell here. I'm just not seeing any buying, but I don't see any selling here. So. ES, what are you doing in Nasdaq? Come on, you're gonna follow Nasdaq. No, you're going in a different way.
Wrong way, wrong way. Turn around.
Yeah. Okay. I think it's a lot easier to sit in a trade where it's going, and even if you're holding it, you know, it's trending slowly or something.
Mm-hmm.
When you're doing like this, I mean, the first hour movements looks so good now.
Yep.
First training on.
I regret not taking it. We would have been done hours ago.
Yeah.
Oh, 30 cons isn't gonna do nothing, I promise you. 30 contracts is not gonna do nothing. We're breaking out though. Look at NQ on the 1 minute.
No. He actually doesn't need to long. He need to short like try 50,000 Nasdaq, Alex. I think that would help us others, but you might be screwed if we actually break out. But
I think once
because
you
then I think we sweep all the orders,
Yeah.
right?
once you
Sorry.
start getting above 7 figures in like terms of like P&L, it's when you're gonna start having liquidity issues, like getting filled and whatnot. I think.
But you already made 1 million.
No, like 1 million per trade, like in a single trade.
No. Even 50 Nasdaq can be a problem with slippage and so on. At least on the overnight action. 100 is a slight problem. I mean, we get slippage on 2 MQ also, so really, who cares?
I think that's mainly with shares. I'm not sure how it applies with futures though, to be honest.
But I'm gonna be honest, Alex. If you add a lot more size than you're doing, it should actually sell down when we enter, right? Because you're taking the orders.
Mm-hmm.
So if you wanna add more size in the future, it's a good thing for us. But you You need to add a crazy size.
Yeah, maybe like another 75
Yeah,
punch.
like,
Alright, we're getting our push here.
no,
Alright.
probably more, probably more.
This
Are we
actually is
taking some off
resistance
here at
here. This is
310?
resistance here. I might do that. I should do that.
Okay.
This is the trend line here. Unless it breaks. I might do B. Break even stops on. Okay, screw it. In profit at 80. Stops are at 80. Gonna let this run. See if you get a breakout or not. I don't know. Hoping we do. Spy looks really good. Oh, there we go.
mean,
Nice.
Yeah.
Finally! Take your trims, please. Take your trims. Oh.
Did you trim?
I trimmed. I just trimmed there. 14. I got a 14. It's not bad, I guess. I'll take it. I don't care. I'm out half. Stop to break even. Do whatever you want.
I have one left at 295 stop. I don't care. I'm just gonna have it up there. If it flips, I'm not breaking out here. ES, I mean, if you trade the ES there, that back
That's
test
a really
is-
nice move.
Yeah, it's
That's a beautiful
yeah,
move.
12 points, 12 points on ES. Yeah,
Look at us.
good. I'm holding until it hits 366.75. Oh, are you gonna do that, Carlo? Okay.
I'm basically break even right
man.
now. I don't know about you guys, but
I'm positive. I'm gonna be positive whatever happens now.
oh really? Oh wait, you got your trims off here. I forgot. Wait, did you add? Did you re-add into your position earlier?
One MQ I added.
Oh, nice.
Then I took it up here at 12.50. Yeah.
Oh, Samir got a mirror entry is just like me too. It's crazy. Almost mirror entry.
I was trying to trim it. I'm down $3.
It's alright.
It's
Yeah.
it's not bad.
No, it's
because
not
of this
bad.
PA. Clap your hands if you be today.
Yeah.
I would call it at B. $3 is okay. I had that trim level, the line I drew it. I was trying to trim it right there, but it just flossed right after that.
Oh, nice apples. Fully closed there. Yeah, pointed like it's a valid exit there. We're at the lower high point on the trend line on the 5-minute structure actually. So this is kind of our initial target. It kind of drifted away from where we were initially looking because we kind of been slow grinding, but yeah, it got sold. However, if we can get a breakout here. Yeah, get out of here, Rich. He's feeling it. He's feeling the jitters, the shiver me timbers. I said minus 30 isn't bad. We can come back tomorrow. We can make that back in one day. Or not even like half a trade. It's not a lot. Don't worry about it.
I got tagged there, but I had 295 and it just went to 296.
You got tagged,
I had
really?
it on the break on that. Yeah, I had a break on the 1-minute structure. I had a stop and got tagged.
I have my stop at 90 right now.
I thought I had 95 was maybe it was a bit. Okay, never mind. No, no, I did it again. Why didn't I take that? Wait, look.
Now we're gonna pull to
Oh,
new high of
I
day.
had the profits for the payout. No, and I had my stop and didn't take the 20 points. Yeah. No. I'm doing it again. This is funny. After today, and I stopped trading again. Well, I'm super close to payout. I trade double size on that drawdown, so I had actually. Oh,
Oh, for your payout. Oh, yeah.
I need 9k. Yeah, I need 9k.
9K.
And I had it on the highs there.
You should have taken it then.
I had it. Yeah, I missed that. I missed that. Oh, that's so unnecessarily. Oh.
Guys, look at my group PL.
That's a very nice B.
Yeah. No dinner for you
B.
tonight.
Oh,
75 bucks.
no beer either.
Yeah.
Dinner? Damn, that's like my dinner for the whole week.
75 bucks for dinner for
A whole week for what? 75 bucks? Seriously?
If I eat cheap. I live on 2k a month or so. And my apartment is 11k, so I live on 900 car.
You
And
could
climbing
yeah.
cost like $300 a month. So yeah, I live cheap on food, probably. Decent cheap. Oh, so I got tagged there, but not Alex.
Nope. And now we're gonna rip. We're gonna break out from this 5-minute flag and then pull the new highs.
Yeah, we're still holding the 1 minute.
Yeah, we're so holding.
High or low. Then we're gonna go to 320 here, right? Oh, I was kind of want to add it, so I get. It's bad to do that.
Don't do
No.
it, Philip. It's
I
fine.
should have taken
Yeah.
it.
No, I was thinking about broke that 300 there to add back just 2 on that account to clear it, but
Alex, you said you had a stop loss at 90, right?
Uh-huh. 90
Oh
flat.
wow, that was like it just pumped
yeah.
like 93.
I had 95. I had
Ah.
95. I had 95.
Pump it.
Jeez, it's
Pump it.
going now.
Yeah, it looks good also now.
That's
Yeah,
good, yeah.
we're gonna take at least 320. I don't think.
Yeah, I'll take another trim
Not
at
anything
320 and
bad
then I'll
else.
be out most. I'll be mostly green. Or slight green.
Okay. I don't think I'm gonna watch because I really want to trade that one account. Honestly. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
I really
wow,
want
wow,
to trade
wow.
that. Yeah.
I wonder if we could
There's
get
the
actually some more
320.
momentum off of this. Maybe we could even pull higher than
Yeah.
320. Is
We're
Carlos still
getting
in this?
slippers both.
The video is.
Oh, wait. Carlos, are you still in this? Oh, 366. Yeah.
Greed can be good, but not too much. By the way, I had a good day. By the way, my day is.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
that
close
bad.
that. I don't want to
Yeah.
see
So,
that.
and I'm still irritated. I got the trim off, added one,
Oh yeah,
trim off.
you took
Yeah.
profit on first trade though, right? Yeah.
Yeah, one out of 3, so I took very little. But on this trade, I took half. then went down, I added back 1, and then I got a 14 exit on that, and then 295 on the last. So it's like 20 points in profit, maybe 23 points total. It's not good, but it's not bad.
Nice pop here.
I think
No,
we're,
Rich,
we're
don't.
going.
Took another trim there.
Don't.
22.
This is not a PA to chase. This is not a PA to chase.
No,
Don't,
it's not.
I have closed all my accounts. Don't do it. And I'm $190 from getting 3K payout from two accounts, both at $90.
I was about to enter at 93, but since Alex had a stop at 90, didn't want to do that.
Yeah.
Wow, that would be great.
Yeah, but that would be 5R here.
Yeah, that would be crazy, Arya. Alert.
Did you scale here, Alex?
Yeah, I did. I'm
Wow, are we?
typing it out right now.
You're gonna be green.
think he did,
You're gonna be green.
I think he's already
Yeah, you're
green.
gonna be green. On
I
day.
am I'm
Yeah, he
green
is
on the
green,
day
yeah.
right now. If I took full there, I'll be
Yeah.
green on the day.
5, 7, 8, 9. No, you're green. You're green. 5, 8, 9. You're $200 green.
But it wouldn't be slight green, just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, above.
Oh wow, Carlos
Here we go.
took it again. Oh no. Nice.
I'm out there, by the way.
Yeah.
27.
So you see what happened there? We tapped me out and then produced that nice leg. Yeah, like normal when I paper hand. Perfect.
Okay. Thank the Lord, I'm finally done with the day. Oh, what a long day.
Well done, Alex. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done for this day.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice.
Take care,
nice.
everyone.
Well done.
Bye bye.